Heart Evangelista, nakunan sa ika-4 na pagkakataon. Inilahad nga ni Heart Evangelista nito lang Mother's Day na nawalan siya ng isa na namang angel. Sabi niya sa kanyang Instagram post, "A few days ago, our baby boy's heart stopped beating. This will be our 4th angel, and although this could be one of my biggest heartbreaks, thank you for trying to be with me and for making me feel so much love already. Love and hope that this world could never give. I love you, Francisco. I shall keep my heart intact while you find your way back to us. To all the mothers, for moms, mother to friends, thank you for your heart and all the women like me going through same struggle. Happy Mother's Day. Francisco, my Francis, I love you, anak." Ito ang post niya sa kanyang Instagram post nitong nakaraang Mother's Day. Talaga namang grabe pala ang pinagdaanan nitong si Heart Evangelista kasi pang-4 na beses na siyang nawalan ng dapat ay magiging anak nila. Unang beses ay twins pa dapat at pangalawa naman ay babae. At ngayon ay yun ngang 4th angel nila na si Francisco na dapat ay lalaki. Ay, grabe talaga. Muli po hanggang dito na lang mga kakamono. See you in the next content. Thank you so much. Gracias. Come on!